To redo our house was tremendous. The entire outside was in disrepair. We had a lot of, the wood was either rotted or completely missing. A lot of the architectural pieces in particular were completely gone. The professionalism was amazing. And the quality of the people who led the teams as well as the team members, unbelievable. They promised it, they did it, and it looks wonderful.
I've been working with Fortune on my house for about 10 years. They gave me a sense that they really knew their stuff and that they'd seen it before, and I could count on them. When I got on the Buildings and Grounds Committee of the 19th Century Charitable Association, a building which had deteriorated quite considerably over the years, and again, my go-to company was Fortune. The quality of the work led to an award from Oak Park for historic preservation. It also led to an Illinois designation as a historic site, none of which would have been possible without the work that Fortune did.
I own a 17-unit building on the north side of Chicago, and I hired Fortune and his crew to do my tuck pointing and painting. Must have called about 20 people, and half of them didn't even call me back. The other half of the half came by and looked at the job. It was too big. Tom was the only guy that came here, did a bid on the site, and said, I can get this done, even though it's late in the season. So it was great working with his crew. Very professional, very efficient, and quality. I never had to worry about quality. Everything was top notch.
In an older home, you end up doing things many times often, but with Fortune, our experience has been that when they do something, it stays done.
A lot of people told us we were crazy for buying this house because it was in such bad shape that it would cost a fortune. But all it took was calling Fortune, and they did it.
True, so true, so true.
We were so happy.